Welcome back to the Neo Nails channel. I'm Steffi Fernandez, and in today's video we'll be doing a smoky abstract look using a straw. Let's get cracking. Okie dokie. Now I'm gonna do this design with a few greeny colors, just because I feel like it will look so nice, and you can use that design for so many different sets, which I will talk about in a bit. But to start off this design, I'm going to apply 2 thin layers of Serious Black all over the nail. And cure it for the full length of time. So I've got both layers cured. I'm going to be using a blooming gel for this design because I want the color to kind of, wow, where is the blooming gel? Yeah. I want the color to kind of disperse as well as me moving it about, which I'll explain in a minute. But I'm going to apply just really a thin layer flat on the nail, just covering the whole nail with blooming gel before I apply my next few colors. Now I love this design because it's so versatile. It's a design that you can use on Halloween if you want to have a spooky, smoky nail. You can also use this nail if you're doing you know, a press-on set with Scar, because Scar has like green and white colors for the fire. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Simba, that's really cute. It's quite a beautiful design, and you can also, if you use it with different colors, make a galaxy-inspired kind of nail art. So it's super cool. Right, enough with the talking. Let's do some work. So I'm going to be applying a few dots just straight from the bottle, not too much product, on top of the nail, just like so. It doesn't have to be necessarily like measured or anything, just a few drops of color of your choice, because we want to kind of have a little bit of a, I don't know. We want to have something to blow, basically, with a straw, that is. So I'm going to apply a little bit of Citrus Blast, and I've also applied Snow White, of course. And what's the other color that I applied, Luce? Apple Sour.
Apple sour, yeah.
I love that drink, I won't lie. Who else likes an apple sour?
I love an apple sour shot.
Oh, yes. And it's a Friday, so we might go for a few after. What do you think? Right, I've got the blobs on my nail. Now I've got a straw, plastic straw that I've cut up. I'm going to blow with my mouth, basically, and just move the color around. However, if you are doing it on a client, it might be better to use a airbrush gun and kind of just use the air from there, so it's a bit more professional, if it makes sense. But I'm going to just go ahead and move the color around. So oh, I love how it looks so now. Let me just move a bit more of the color. That's it. There we go. So I really love what the nail looks like right now. I'm gonna just give it a couple of seconds because it's mixing in with that blooming gel just to do its thing. And then I'm going to pop this into the lamp. Look how sunny this is, Luce.
Oh, it's so
It's
nice.
beautiful, right?
Such a simple
it's so-
technique that you did.
So simple, so beautiful. Obviously, use a airbrushing machine just for the, you know, the pressure of the air, so it doesn't look as weird trying to blow on your client's fingers. But it's really a stunning design. Now, I'm going to basically apply a layer of top coat on this one. I'm going to be using our Urban Graffiti shiny top coat, but I've prepped a nail earlier, so I'll show you what it looks like with a matte top coat as well. Now it really does look stunning. It's quite spooky. I would say it's really, really beautiful and perfect for Halloween, as well as scar nails, like I said, and galaxy. Honestly, just add a couple of stars on top of this and a few dots, and it's a different kind of galaxy nails you can guys do. And this is the final result, you guys. I hope you like it. I love this design, and this is the matte version just next to it. I really like it. It's super simple, super easy, and you can really use this technique to create so many different looks. I mean, you know, it also gives me a little bit of marble vibes.
Yeah, yeah,
But
definitely.
marbling, but it's not exactly marbling. It's a little bit more smoky and abstract. And God knows I love an abstract design, right? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Have a go, try it, do a set with it, tag me in your recreations, and let me know what you think. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you. That's so good. Freaking good. Woo! I love cherry. Cherry is what life is all about.
Yeah,
When
definitely.
it comes to a slushy. Woo! Sour, sweet.